Just out of curiosity, Matt, what's the biggest reason you're looking at outsource companies for your lead generation?
I love it. And he did two things. He put the softener on there, right? What's your biggest, I'm going to take it off my list. You're like chronologically right there with me, right? Boom. Number 3, this is exactly what I was going to say. What's your biggest reason for blank? What's your biggest reason for looking for outsource companies? What's your biggest reason for looking for sales coaching? What's your biggest reason for looking for a new home? What's your biggest reason for moving? That's an even better one, right? Let's say you're a custom home builder. What's your biggest reason for moving? Or what's your biggest reason for wanting to build a custom home? It's been my dream forever. Got it. When you say it's been your dream forever, can you kind of walk me through a specific example? You can flow these things. That was a great one. And if you noticed, he put the softener in front of it, just out of curiosity. Guys, trust me. And a lot of you don't have the courage yet, but stay on your Easton University portal. Keep coming to these calls. A lot of you don't have the courage right now to ask questions, especially when they deal with money, right? How much are you guys making right now? How much are you personally taking home right now? How much do you want to spend on this home? What's your budget for this software? When you put just out of curiosity in front of it, it makes the hard questions easy. Why? Because it's just out of curiosity. Just out of curiosity, what type of budget have you guys allocated for the software? Just out of curiosity, what's your biggest reason for moving? Just out of curiosity, what's your most important reason for outsourcing, right? Put that just out of curiosity in front of it.